So, how do you start a welding business with no loan? I'm going to tell you what I did, me personally, because I didn't use a loan, but I knew I needed capital. And honestly, it depends on what direction you're going into. If you're going into a fabrication business or you're going into a straight mobile business, and mine was considered to be straight mobile, and mine is, even to this day, is straight mobile at this present time. What you need to do is you're going to need to come up with some cash. And what I did, I worked. Like, I did contracts, I worked shutdowns, I worked turnaround jobs, I worked contract jobs, and I did little part-time jobs to get the capital I needed, so that way I could buy the equipment that I needed to do my mobile welding. So whatever your limit is, say if you need 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, you know, just some normal numbers, if this is what you need to get started. I just worked. I used my work ethics. And on the side, I did, like, I bought and sold and flipped things, from cars to equipment to different items and things like that. And that's how I got my money. I mean, I didn't get a loan, honestly, because didn't nobody believe in me but me at the time. You know what I mean? And even now, I haven't reached out and got a loan from anyone as far as to get to that next level. I just save and use my own money. It'll always be me and my wife. You know what I mean? She working, I'm doing my thing, and we'll put our money together to do what we need to do. But we haven't, like, got no big loan from someone to pay off something or to make a big move. You know, we haven't got that up to this moment. You know what I mean? But I'm always open for investors. But I'm just saying, I have always used my own money and work ethic. So if you want to get established and you don't want to have a bank or someone in your pocket telling you when you need to pay this loan off, because one thing for sure, when you're starting a business, you're not guaranteed to succeed, but you guaranteed you have to pay that loan back. You must pay this loan back. You got this person or this bank is going to come out to their money, and if it's a capital place or a bank or something, they might take your assets. So I didn't want that to happen, because I'm jumping into a field that I'm not 100% sure, because business is not 100% sure that you're going to succeed in what you do. I mean, you might stumble, you might fall, you might hit some stumbling blocks. So you need to have a little room not to feel like you are overwhelmed with a project. And that can also make you make bad business decisions because you got so much on your plate. So what I would say do is work, save your money, flip your money, invest your money, then get all you need, and then go into the business. That's what I did, and that's what I think that is wise to do. Hog on.